Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today is a curiosity day. What that means? It means I will disassemble this cordless work light and find out what parts it has inside, from what parts it is made and how it's working. In the past I have made a video for this work light. You can check that video down below in the description or after the end of this video right in the corner. So to remove the back cover we need to remove 4 screws. And here it is, the connection for the front COB light. Just pull that to remove. We can see we have a rubber sealing around, prevent any water to go inside and damage the board with the batteries. At the front we can remove and these 4 screws and reveal the light inside. I will do that later. We have another 4 screws here. It is for the silicone rubber at the edges. It will protect the work light if it will fall down accidentally. The battery compartment, we can remove these 2 screws. Inside we have 3 cells, 18650, total 6000 mAh battery, and is soldered at the board. I can remove the board with 3 screws. And at the board is everything connected. We can see here we have the button to turn on or off different modes, different lighting modes. We have 4 modes, 100% brightness, 50%, the flashing white mode and the red flashing mode. Here we can check the battery capacity, 4 green lights, the Type-C input for charging the battery and the USB output for charging any device with 5-volt input. And we can see other parts, capacitor, inductor, integrated circuit and more. Nice. So let's move on and disassemble this at the front. And there's the cover, the COB light, around we have this silicone rubber, prevent any water to go inside and damage the light. This is plastic, and we have wow, I think that is glass. It has a huge thickness. Definitely it is about 5 mm. So that was all the parts at this cordless work light. Now you know how it's working. Let's assemble it again and see if it works again. And that was all. And the big moment, yep, it is working. All the 4 modes. Perfect. Now you know, my viewers, you are smarter, you know what parts it has this work light inside and how it works. If you want to find out more about this product and how you can use it, you can check down below the description. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.